Matrix is a flop show and a failed concept. There is nothing left in the matrix to be boastful about. In your Kundalini Awakening journey, Kundalini is going to throw you out of the matrix and out of your mind, out of your constructs. If not today, then soon. And when you are coming out of the matrix, you will face fear. You will face the fear of unknown. I am here in the unknown and I am living my life because my life is out of the matrix. And out of the matrix, what you get the access to the Himalayan mountain ranges. You can stay as long as you want. You are not a tourist, you are not a traveler, you are an explorer of life. Behind me is the great Himalayan Annapurna range, and I am here in the Himalayas living my life in full freedom. And this freedom is possible because I left the matrix, the flop show. There is nothing which the matrix offers to you. There is nothing left in the matrix which is benefiting you in any way. When you are in the matrix, you just are bound by the time and money, and there is no consideration of energy. I am teaching you how to live life. Have a feel of this 360-degree Himalayan mountain ranges around me, and here I am expressing in full glory with all my powers because I am the embodied Kundalini. Behind me the paragliders are gliding there. Here at my back is the complete Himalayan Annapurna range, and you can see the fishtail, that is the Machapuchre range also somewhere. Just have a view if it is visible. The clouds are hiding it, but you can have a feel of that range somewhere behind the clouds. Yes, that is the peak of the Machapuchre range, and have a feel of this entire ambience. I never knew this place is so beautiful, and that's why I had not planned to come here. But Kundalini has its own plan. The inner GPS in me brought me here. Today I did not plan for this visit. The sun is shining bright. This is real freedom. Access to sunlight, access to mountains, access to entire earth, and the freedom to talk, speak, express what I want to express. At the peak of my voice, I can feel this freedom which you are not having. The stupidity of the matrix, your parents, your society, the bullshit society, the bullshit civilization which has given you nothing, still you stick to that because you don't want to come out of your comfort zone. You don't want to come out of what has created the problem in the very first place. What more I can ask for? And this is not just one time event for me. This is a regular taking experiences of different kinds. There are different plants, and the rhododendron, the medicinal plant, is also in the background. I can show you the feel of that. It is not available right now but these are the plants, and the red flowers are flowering. Here they are. And there are many, because the season has gone, so you may not be able to see much. And the sound of cricket. This is real life. Feeling the freedom. Have a feel of this entire experience. Amazing, isn't it? This is one side view, the 180-degree view you can see from here, and here is the 360-degree view. And I am in the middle of the Himalayas in Pokhara, Nepal. If you want to experience freedom, do come to Pokhara. Many of your toxic energy in the system will wipe away when you find such kind of place to feel and get expressed. But for that, you have to invest out of the matrix. You have to invest in yourself. You have to invest in the life that you are. You have to invest not in matter, but in the life that is thriving in you, the Kundalini in you. Kundalini wants from you investments of your time, money and energy. And if you do that, you get the highest return from that. Hello. ये बैग मेरा है. Thank you. ऐसे ही यहाँ पे ही थी मैं. यहाँ पे चोरी नहीं होता. So I was speaking to the local people there. There is no theft that happens in this region. I don't have to be extra careful. So while I talk, let me be in this background view. I am feeling extremely high because this is the highest life that anyone can live, and I am living in this moment. And when you get to live this life in this moment, there is no future. And since I live my life every moment like this, every moment, so I have no future. I am 100% in the present with my full senses, with my full consciousness. I am experiencing life because I am the classy vagabond who is free to live life the way I want, when I want. Every moment of my life, I can live life. I don't have to share my life with anyone else. Today I have brought my student here and I am opening her solar plexus, making her aware of her life purpose through the experiences she is taking on her own. That is the Guru element in me. What good Kundalini gives to me when I take these experiences and I expose to Kundalini, she makes me powerful. She makes me powerful and she makes me live the life of the highest powerful Guru, the highest powerful Guru who can do anything. Look at the surrounding. There is not a single person to disturb me. When you are in the matrix, you are getting distracted by the attention of the people around. They want to steal your attention. All these trees behind me is the rhododendron tree, which are found at higher altitude. And I am at a greater higher altitude, and I can tell you also at what height right now I am thriving. Just wait a minute while I check the feel of it. You can enjoy the view till that time. Enjoy the stillness of nature and be with yourself for some time. So right now I am at a height of, it is not visible, so I will tell you, 1600 meters, 5249 to 5250 feet above sea level, and it is the western side of Pokhara, Nepal. So the mountains are visible. Feel this, feel this, feel this, and expose yourself to life. The expression of life that is happening from me is the highest because of the blue sky, the sun, the highest negative ions, the best quality of air, and the wind blowing. All these are contributing factors towards the life that I am living. Because I am out of the flop show, the matrix game, the video game which has no success. There is nothing left in the video game. So the stillness can be felt. The stillness can be experienced when you are with yourself doing nothing. Look at me, and my freedom is the factor coming at such place. The Siddha, the life, that Kundalini, the powerful universe is embodied in me to live, and I am exposing the universe through me. I am expressing that. This means that this expression can happen only from the highest state, which I am in now. The openness, the sun is on top of my head, the blue sky is everywhere, the abundance of the universe. Life is not beyond the earthly life. You have to live life on earth. There is no life without the earth. But on earth, you cannot live that in the cities. You have to live the matrix world because of the desires. You are stuck in the matrix. I am becoming speechless as I am more going towards what Kundalini is expressing in me right now. You are extremely fortunate that this moment of my life I am able to capture and show it to you due to the technology. Otherwise, many moments of this kind could have been missed. So, as I speak to you, have a feel of that, the way mountains have ascended towards the high mountain peaks. Look at the transition from one level to the other, one mountain range to the other mountain range, how it has transcended to the Himalayan peaks. Feel it completely. And you cannot experience this through a small trip that you take. You have to expose yourself to this by making your life free from everything that is keeping you stuck in the matrix. What a beautiful feel it is. The freedom that I am feeling is coming from actual execution of the idea. It cannot come from sitting in the home, sitting in the cities. I have been in Nepal for quite a long time now. And I'm going to feel it completely till I feel that some other place is calling me. Experience everything from my vision and your life will change. And if you need my personal consultation to work on you, if you want to live the life of freedom, of Kundalini, away from the matrix, then something can be done. And you can work through projects through which I can do something and many things to bring a change in your life. Bye bye. For this topic, it is enough.